Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, sometimes the most magical Christmas decoration are the ones we create with our hands. Today we are making an winter centerpiece complete with the little snowman, Christmas tree, mini gifts, and a floating ornaments bucket that look like it's out of a holiday movies. We will start with your wooden slice base. Add a layer of artificial snow or cotton to create the soft winter ground. This will be the foundation if your snow Christmas in. Place the snowman figures to the left side, not candid, so we'll leave space for the rest for the story. Add the two mini Christmas tree behind him, and one tall, one small one, so the backgrounds look clear and natural. Next, glue down a few red glitter stars as ornaments on the tree. These tiny details make the scene feel festive without overloading. Minions orange. Now add your mini pin cones and small gifts box. Arrange them close together, almost like the snowman has just finished scaling, and stop to what present. These little drops are what turn a craft into story. Decorate this next step in what's make the centerpiece truly magical. Take your metal ring and attach it to the wooden base using hot glue, making sure it stands upright. Now glitter red and golden ornaments. Attach them to gold wires, string them together to look like a floating balloon bucket, as if the snowman is holding magic in the air. Add glitter star, mini bubbles, and white pom-poms between them to create volume and colors contrast. Final touch once everything is glued, and take a moment of fluff the snow edges angel and remove clues. A well finished centerpiece always feels ready details and international. We will display and choose this winter centerpiece work beautiful on coffee tables, entry console, office desks, or even as a festive gifts for someone who loves handmade decoration. It brings joy, colors, and a little touch of childhood wonder into any room. Call to action, and there you have it. A charming Christmas centerpiece pulled from simple piece, imagination, and a little glue. If you enjoy this diet, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more holiday craft ideas. Tell me